Title: Learn Spanish Faster with 7 hit songs that stick. Are you tired of staring at Spanish vocabulary lists, trying to force the words into your brain only to have them completely disappear the next day? Do you spend hours drilling grammar rules you can never seem to remember in a real conversation? What if I told you the problem isn't your memory, but your method? Forget the boring flashcards and the tedious exercises. There's a way more powerful, effective, and honestly, a more fun way to make Spanish stick. In this video, we're going to show you how. We'll break down 7 infectious Spanish hit songs that will have you singing along and soaking up new words and grammar without even realizing it. These aren't just random tracks. They've been specifically chosen for their power to teach. By the end of this video, you'll have an awesome new playlist and a game-changing tool that will make learning Spanish feel less like a chore and more like a party. Let's sing. So, why does this actually work? It all comes down to musical memory. When you learn words through a song, your brain doesn't just file away a definition, it creates a whole network of connections. The melody, the rhythm, the emotion, the story, they all weave together, creating these strong mental hooks that make recalling words almost effortless. Just think about it. You can probably sing the lyrics to dozens, if not hundreds of songs from your childhood without even trying. That's the power we're going to tap into for your Spanish. When you connect language to emotion and rhythm, it stops being a dry academic subject and becomes a living, breathing experience your brain is hardwired to remember. It's a learning superpower, and today, you're going to learn how to use it. Section 1. The Absolute Beginner's Foundation. Canción de la Familia. First up is where every language journey should begin, the absolute basics. And for that, we're diving into the world of children's music. Now, before you skip ahead, you should know these songs are linguistic goldmines. We're looking at a classic genre for this. The family song, or Canción de la Familia. You can find a ton of versions, but they all share a few key traits that make them perfect for beginners. The vocabulary is as simple and essential as it gets. Words like mama, mom, papa, dad, hermano, brother, hermana, sister, and bebé, baby. These are the true building blocks of conversation. Plus, the repetition is off the charts. You'll hear the same phrases again and again, which is the most natural way to lock in new words. For example, a line you might hear is, Este es mi papá, mi papá, mi papá. This is my dad, my dad, my dad. This repetition drills the vocabulary into your head without you even trying. The pace is slow, and the pronunciation is incredibly clear. Artists who make music for kids say every single syllable perfectly, which helps you train your ear to the sounds of Spanish and build a solid foundation for your own pronunciation. These songs are designed to teach, making them an invaluable first step. You're not just learning words, you're learning the entire rhythm of the language in its purest form. Section 2. The Feel-Good Anthem for Hope, Color Esperanza, by Diego Torres. Next, we've got a song that will boost your Spanish and your mood. Color Esperanza by Argentinian artist Diego Torres is a massive Latin pop anthem famous for its uplifting positive message. The title translates to The Color of Hope, and it's the perfect song for anyone ready to graduate from nursery rhymes. So what makes it so good for learning? First, the tempo is relaxed, and Diego Torres' singing is crystal clear, making it easy to follow along. The lyrics are simple but powerful, packed with common words for emotions and perseverance. Let's just look at the chorus. He sings, Saber que se puede, querer que se pueda. That translates to know that you can, to want to be able to. Boom. Right there, you're learning 2 of the most important verbs in Spanish. Saber, to know, and querer, to want. You also get the incredibly useful phrase, se puede, which means it can be done or it's possible. You will hear and use this one constantly. Another beautiful line is, pintarse la cara color esperanza, tentar al futuro con el corazón. This means to paint your face the color of hope, to tempt the future with your heart. Here you learn the verb pintarse, to paint one's own face, and words like la cara, the face, and el corazón, the heart. The message is so inspiring that the emotional connection helps all that vocabulary stick. This song doesn't just teach you words, it teaches you about cultural values like optimism and resilience. Section 3. The Salsa Anthem for Living Life, Vivir mi Vida, by Mark Anthony. Alright, it's time to get up and dance. Our third song is the fiery salsa hit Vivir, Mi Vida by the one and only Marc Anthony. This song isn't just a global party starter, it's a fantastic language learning tool, especially for mastering one key piece of grammar. The song's magic is in its super catchy and repetitive chorus. Marc Anthony belts out, Voy a reír, voy a bailar, vivir mi vida, la 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 la. This means, I'm gonna laugh, I'm gonna dance, live my life, la 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 la. With that one simple line, you're mastering the informal future tense. The formula is ir plus a plus infinitive. So, voy a reír means I'm going to laugh. This is how people talk about the future all the time in Spanish, and this song drills it into your brain in the most fun way possible. You can easily swap in other verbs, voy a comer, voy a estudiar, voy a aprender. The song is also full of other useful verbs like gozar, to enjoy, and sufrir, to suffer. The message is all about choosing joy over sorrow, which makes the language feel personal and empowering. And since salsa has such a clear driving beat, it's great for getting a feel for the natural rhythm of spoken Spanish. Section 4, the rock-pop story of heartbreak, La Camisa Negra, by Juanes. From the pure joy of salsa, we take a turn into the drama of Latin rock with La Camisa Negra by Colombian superstar Juanes. This song was a huge international hit, and because it tells a story, it's a brilliant way to pick up everyday vocabulary. The title means, the black shirt. This one is a little more advanced, but the words are incredibly practical. Juanes is singing about a relationship that's gone sour, and his story teaches you words for clothes, feelings, and relationships. The title itself teaches you basic clothing vocab, and an important grammar rule is a feminine noun, so the adjective has to be feminine too. Let's break down a key line. Tengo la camisa negra, porque negra tengo el alma. I have the black shirt, because my soul is black. Here you're practicing the verb, I have, and learning the word, soul. The song tells a story of heartbreak, but it does it with such a catchy, almost upbeat rhythm that makes the dramatic words impossible to forget. He also uses the preterite tense, which is the simple past. For example, yo por ti perdí la calma, y casi pierdo hasta mi cama. Because of you, I lost my calm, and I almost even lost my bed, is the past tense of to lose. Listening to this song helps you hear how past events are described, which is a vital skill for any conversation. It's a mini telenovela that will get stuck in your head, and all the vocabulary will come right along with it. Section 5, the modern pop ballad for pronunciation, Igual que un Ángel by Kali Uchis and Peso Pluma. Let's slow things down a bit with a gorgeous modern synth-pop track. Igual que un Ángel by Colombian-American artist Kali Uchis and Mexican singer Peso Pluma is a dreamy song with a slower tempo that's perfect for polishing your listening skills. The title means, just like an angel, and the song is about a woman who stays pure of heart even after being hurt. What makes this song so useful is its clarity and its use of modern, authentic slang. The slower pace lets you really zero in on the small details of pronunciation. A key phrase in the song is, Le rompieron el cora, pero nunca se la perdió. This translates to, they broke her heart, but she never lost herself. Right there is a perfect example of modern, informal Spanish. Cora is a shortened, casual version of corazon, heart, the kind of slang you'll hear in music and from young people, but not in a textbook. The song is also a beautiful illustration of reflexive verbs. The line, Nunca se la perdió, is a bit tricky, but it basically means she never lost herself. The SE is the key. You hear this structure again in a line like, Ella no se rinde, she doesn't give up. Hearing these used so naturally in a slow, clear song is way more effective than just reading a grammar rule. The track's chill vibe makes it a relaxing way to absorb more advanced grammar and current slang. Section 6, the Cumbia Heartbreak Duet, Nunca es Suficiente by Los Angeles Azules FDR Natalia Lafourcade. Now for a song that mixes traditional cumbia with a modern indie pop feel. Nunca es Suficiente by the legendary Mexican group Los Angeles Azules, and singer-songwriter Natalia Lafourcade is a sad but incredibly catchy song about loving someone who doesn't love you back. The title means, it's never enough. This song is fantastic for intermediate learners because it talks about complex feelings using pretty straightforward language. Natalia Lafourcade's clear emotional voice guides you right through the story. The chorus is repetitive and powerful. Y tú te vas, jugando a enamorar. And you leave playing at falling in love. This line is a great example of using a gerund, ando, endo, to mean going around doing something. He's not just playing, he's playing around, making a game of love. The song is filled with vocabulary about love and heartache. For instance, mi corazón estalla por tu amor. My heart bursts for your love. Estallar, to burst or explode, is a wonderfully dramatic verb that perfectly captures that feeling. The contrast of sad lyrics with a danceable cumbia beat is a signature of a lot of Latin American music, and it actually helps the phrases stick. You'll find yourself singing about heartbreak while wanting to dance, and that memorable clash locks the language in your memory. Come on, we couldn't make a list of hit Spanish songs without this one. Despacito by Puerto Rican artists Luis Fonsi and Daddy Yankee wasn't just a song, it was a global cultural event. And believe it or not, despite its speed, it's a treasure chest of useful Spanish phrases and grammar. The title itself is a mini lesson. Despacito means slowly. The ito ending is called a diminutive, which can mean little, but here it adds a sense of charm or affection, so despacito means something like extra slowly, or nice and slow. You see this pattern again with pasito a pasito, little step by little step, and suave suavecito, soft extra soft. This song is also famous for helping people finally nail the rolled R sound, especially in the line, Quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. I want to breathe your neck slowly. The verb respirar is perfect for practicing that sound over and over. Grammatically, despacito gives you awesome examples of more complex tenses. For instance, llevo tiempo intentándolo. I've been trying for a while, and ya estás gustándome más de lo normal. You're already starting to please me more than normal. Hearing these tenses used in such a catchy, repetitive song makes them way easier to understand and eventually use yourself. Despacito proves that even a fast worldwide party anthem can be a surprisingly clever teacher. And there you have it. 7 hit songs that can completely change how you learn Spanish. We started with the simple building blocks of a family song, grooved through inspirational pop and salsa, untangled the drama of Latin rock, and finished with modern pop and reggaeton. Music is one of the most powerful allies you have on your language journey. It makes memorizing feel effortless, it puts grammar into a real-world context, and it connects you to the culture in a way that textbooks just can't. So, here's your homework. Make a new playlist. Add these 7 songs and actually listen to them. Don't just have them on in the background. Pull up the lyrics, try to sing along, and feel the rhythm. You will be shocked at how fast you start picking up new words and phrases. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite Spanish song to learn with? Drop a comment below and share it with everyone. Your recommendation might be the exact song someone else needs to have their breakthrough moment. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more fun and effective ways to master Spanish. And turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, keep listening, keep singing, and keep learning. Hasta luego.